Hi, I'm Dawn Bray. I'm excited to welcome you to this amazing home at the Residences in Coconut Point. We are at 8010 Via Sardinia Way, Unit 4204. This home is like no other in the community. Come take a look and see for yourself. Experience luxury living at its finest in this gorgeous, rarely available open floor plan. This residence features 4 Juliet balconies as well as an oversized balcony, which is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or an evening nightcap. No expense has been spared in this completely renovated corner unit. From the floors and the baseboards to the doors and the lighting fixtures, everything is brand new and very high-end. The chef's kitchen features GE Cafe matte white appliances, custom-made Da Vinci cabinets, a stunning backsplash, and beautiful thick quartz countertops. The owner's suite has impact glass sliders to the balcony, custom shelving in the closet, a heated spa tub, dual sinks, and detailed glass cut tile. It also comes with 2 dedicated parking spots in the underground gated parking area. The amenities include a large pool and spa, as well as a fitness center and community room for social gatherings. Walk over to Panera for your morning coffee, then enjoy a day of shopping or a visit to the spa, and round out your evening with a delicious dinner at one of the many excellent on-site restaurants. I'm Dawn Bray with Premier Plus Realty Luxury Properties. Call me today at 239-297-4020 to get your own personal tour of this beautiful property.